Have you ever wondered how much your diet impacts your brain's function and aging process? It's a compelling question, isn't it? Our journey today takes us into the realm of scientific research, where a recent study published in Cell Metabolism has shed some intriguing light on this very subject. This study set out with a purpose to explore the connection between diet and cognitive function. More specifically, it focused on two diets: intermittent fasting, often referred to as IF, and a standard healthy living diet, or HL for short. Both diets were put under the microscope to observe their effects on weight loss, insulin resistance, and most importantly, the aging process of the brain. The results, well, they might surprise you. So, let's dive into the details of this intriguing study to uncover the power of diet on your brain. The study in focus involved 40 participants who were, interestingly, all older, overweight adults with insulin resistance. Now you might wonder, why this specific group? Well, as it turns out, individuals within this demographic have shown an increased risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. This makes them an ideal group to study the potential cognitive benefits of diet alterations. Now, let's delve deeper into how the study was conducted. The participants were randomly assigned to one of two diets: the intermittent fasting diet, or IF for short, and the healthy living diet, or HL. This random assignment ensured a fair distribution of participants across both dietary plans, reducing any potential bias. The study spanned 8 weeks, a duration that was carefully chosen. This period was long enough to allow for noticeable results, yet short enough to maintain participant commitment. With the stage set and the participants ready, the study was all set to explore the effects of these diets on cognition and brain aging. The methodology involved monitoring the participants' cognitive function, neuronal insulin resistance, insulin signaling biomarkers, and brain age over the 8-week period. Let's delve a bit deeper into this process, shall we? The researchers kept a keen eye on the cognitive function of these participants. This simply means they assessed how well their brains performed tasks like remembering, problem-solving, and paying attention. But it didn't stop there. The study also monitored neuronal insulin resistance, which in simpler terms is how the brain's nerve cells respond to insulin. Insulin signaling biomarkers were another crucial aspect of the monitoring. These biomarkers help to measure the effectiveness of insulin in the body. Over the course of the 8 weeks, the participants followed either an intermittent fasting diet, commonly known as IF, or a standard healthy living diet. Both diets led to some impressive outcomes, but let's break it down. Participants on both diets experienced weight loss and reduced insulin resistance. This means their bodies became better at processing glucose and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, which is a win for overall health. But the benefits extended to the brain as well. Both diets slowed down brain aging, essentially giving the brain a younger, more agile feel. Cognitive function also got a boost, enhancing the brain's ability to process and react to information. But here's where things get particularly interesting. The IF diet showed more robust outcomes compared to the standard healthy living diet. In other words, the IF diet had a bit of an edge, leading to slightly greater reductions in brain age. Interestingly, while both diets showed positive effects, the IF diet seemed to have a slightly greater impact, especially in women. The implications of this study are quite profound, especially for those looking to maintain cognitive function and slow brain aging through diet. Picture this: the power to boost your brain health simply through what you eat. Isn't that an exciting concept? The research has shown that both an intermittent fasting diet, often called an IF diet, and a standard healthy living diet can lead to weight loss, reduced insulin resistance, and slowed brain aging. That's right, not one, but two diets showing promising results. Now here's an interesting tidbit. The IF diet showed slightly more robust outcomes compared to the healthy living diet. This was particularly noticeable in the improvement of executive function, especially in women. So, for those mulling over which dietary path to follow, this could be a key factor to consider. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While the results are encouraging, they are still considered preliminary. They've given us a tantalizing glimpse into the potential of diet in maintaining our cognitive health. but more research is needed to fully understand the extent of this impact. It's important to acknowledge that this study was supported by the National Institute on Aging. Their backing underscores the significance of this research and highlights the growing interest in how our lifestyle choices, particularly our diet, can influence our brain health. So, it appears that the food we consume not only nourishes our bodies, but could also play a significant role in maintaining our cognitive health and slowing the aging process of our brains.